Morning, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. Well, we've got heavy rains coming in, they say, for 2 or 3 days. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest some of my winter squash. First, the butternut. And hopefully you can see this. First of it just twists. Really. My dog's trying to trip me. I'll just pause and finish it up and we'll go on to the next squash. Oops, I broke this stem, so we're going to cook this one tonight. They just, it will let in bacteria and it will spoil. So I'll continue picking more carefully. Off one plant, I got 10 beautiful ones. I'll show them to you. There we go. And there's one more there. We'll see if it has time to ripen. Let's go get the other winter squash. Not too bad off one plant. Okay, I also have one plant of acorn squash, so let's check that out. They're kind of hard to see. I gave away a couple the other day. Let's see how many I have left. And so far, not too bad. Move, baby. So I have 6. I gave away the 2 largest ones, which is just fine with me. This is kind of a perfect size, these little ones. And so I'm pretty happy with the harvest. Winter squash harvest for 2024. Well, it's Maria from Still Dreaming Homestead. I want to pray blessings on you and yours, in your house, out of your house, the day and night, whatever you do, keep dreaming. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And if you push the that bell, you'll get notified whenever I do a new video. All right, God bless.